Whether you're looking to start a new hobby or are an avid gardener, a greenhouse offers the perfect escape from the chaos of everyday life, which is why today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your greenhouse for the growing season ahead. We've chosen the new 8x6 Woodsman Greenhouse to start our growing journey. It's the largest greenhouse of the Woodsman range aside from the combis, and it also comes with a choice of different glazing options. Here we have the polycarbonate glazing with its UV protection. The polycarbonate is incredibly durable and excellent at retaining heat, which means it maintains a more stable temperature than styrene or glass. Once you've got your greenhouse set up, it's time to start filling it with everything you need to be a successful gardener. A bench is probably the most important tool in any greenhouse. It's useful for storage and enables you to plant seeds without hurting your back. Here we will add everything we need for growing so it's all in one place. That includes seeds, tools, pots, seed trays, compost, and even a small watering can. Depending on how much you want to grow, you could have benches running along all the walls of your greenhouse with a walkway in the middle, or you could get creative. We decided we wanted to add a cozy reading section for relaxing after all the gardening we will be doing. The table is made out of a wooden box that we turned on its side so it doesn't take up too much space and adds to the aesthetics of the greenhouse. If you have the space, why not make the greenhouse a focal point in your garden by adding some seating outside? We also installed some wall art to make the area really pop and added a few items of decor to fill out the space. And there you have it, your very own greenhouse oasis, perfect for growing and entertaining guests. If you want some more tips on how to decorate your garden building, we've got tons of articles and videos for you to check out. Be sure to follow us on social media, and I'll see you next time.